Hi everyone, welcome back to Vaizle AI. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a new chat to your Vaizle account. So it is really simple. Simply go to your Vaizle account, click on this new chat button here, and here you will see an AI chat screen. So these are all the chats you are currently working on. To add a new one, simply click on this add chat button, and here you can select the account you want to analyze data for. So let's say I'm going to pick this account, give your chat any name, let's say uh, and I'm just going to click save. That's it, my new chat is ready and I can start analyzing data in it. Now here are a few things to remember. While you're creating a new chat, there's a possibility that you're not seeing the ad account you want to analyze here. That means your account is not yet connected with Vaizle. So click on add account and here you will see all the accounts you have access to. Now simply link them with Vaizle, toggle this button, click save, and Vaizle will start fetching data and you can add that to your new chat. And another interesting feature that most users miss is that you can add more than one brand account to a single chat. So let's say I am working currently on both these accounts and I want to see a combined data, or I want to analyze them both side by side. So I'm just going to give it something like combined analysis, and that's it. I can simply click save and my chat with two ad accounts connected in it is ready. There's no limit, you can add as many ad accounts you want to a single chat. So this is how you create a new chat and it's really simple. So here are some of the reasons why you might want to create a new chat. First one, your old chat is getting really bulky and you're starting to lose context and you want a fresh perspective. So simply add the account in a new chat and start working on it again. Secondly, maybe you're working in an agency and you have multiple accounts to keep tabs on. So simply add them in separate chats, and maybe you can separate them for use cases as well. Let's say one chat for reporting, one chat for analyzing data, one chat for auditing account or something like that. So that's how you get started with new chats. If used rightly, new chats can help you organize your data better. So that's it. Keep analyzing, and I'll see you in the new one.